Are Pinterest recommendation not matching your interest? Follow these steps to adjust your feed. First, start by clearing your browsing history. Pinterest uses your past activity to suggest posts. Go to your profile and tap on Edit to clear your browsing history. Engage with pins that match your interest. Pinterest algorithm learns from what you like, comment on, and save. The more you interact with relevant content, the better your recommendations will be. Make sure you follow the right boards and accounts by following the boards and users that align with your preferences. Pinterest will show more content similar to what you enjoy. If the recommendations are still off, try resetting your Pinterest feed, log out of your account, and log back in to refresh algorithm suggestions. Lastly, if all these steps fails, report the issue to Pinterest. You can submit feedback through the app settings to let them know about the poor recommendations. Don't hesitate to unfollow boards or accounts that no longer match your interest. This helps Pinterest learn what you prefer. Have your Pinterest recommendations improved? Drop a comment to share your experience. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.